in Noida, this area a little bit quite famous for temperatures.
Yeah.
There it decreases like anything. Sometimes it goes even zero.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, last winter we witnessed. Actually, it was really chilly.
Yeah, in UP and Bihar, during winter season, it is very difficult to survive people, those who stay away from home. So without burning fires, you cannot survive. I have seen when I was child, I used to see that people in the evening, people used to burn fires and they will sit around that fire to recope with cold or wind. Cold.
Yeah, it is. All right. Yeah, it happens. So let's discuss. Today's topic was exercise.
Yeah.
Importance.
Yeah.
So let's go with that. Yeah.
Because it is also important. Even you take care of your diet, but to make your body flexible, to mind stable, it is also necessary to do some physical exercise or yoga on a regular basis. So, what idea you have, and what kind of things you do to keep mentally and physically fit yourself?
Basically, actually, I want to do many things, but there are some. Actually, I am that kind of person who loves to do exercise, and because I like fitness.
Yeah.
Actually, my weight it is 79, between 75 to 79, because my height is 5.11.
Okay.
Yeah. So
have you measured BMI, body mass index?
I haven't measured my personally, but yeah, I know that on my height, or I think between 75 to 80 weight should be there. Between 75 to 80, because my weight, my height is almost 6 feet, just 2 and 3 inches. Yeah, it is.
So you have perfect weight and height.
Yeah. So right now I have perfect weight and height. Yeah, if I would decrease, so I wouldn't look good, and if I increase, so I wouldn't look good. When I don't like that heavy weight, heavy muscles, I don't like. I like flexible one, normal.
Yeah.
Because I have different professions. If you, actually every day I go to exercise normally, but because of the coronavirus, these days I'm not going. Because many people, they come and they touch many things, so we are not aware. So I think we shouldn't, and personally I don't want to take this. So I'm avoiding. At home I'm doing.
Okay.
But actually I left exercise 10 days ago. Alright. So it's not very long. But yeah, I have been doing exercise for a long time, almost 10 years, 10 not, 7 to 8 years.
Okay.
So I learned these all things from my family. In my family, everyone is fit and they were healthy. So this is my routine. Like wake up, and after that taking water, and then I used to go to gym. Before going gym, I used to have 2 bananas, and after that I used to go, and then after coming, I used to have some dry fruits and all. This is, and after that I start. So it means that exercise, it is very important for me. Every time I eat, if I don't do, 2 and 3 days later, actually I regret. Oh my God, I'm not doing exercise.
Yeah.
So I don't feel good. So it is in my habit. So I have to do if I don't want to regret.
Yeah. So you mostly go to gym.
Yeah, mostly I go to gym, but actually I have different kind of exercise. Actually, I don't do with heavy lifting and all.
Okay.
Cardio. 30 minutes I invest in cardio, 30 minutes, where I weight lifting and normal one, for fitness only. Yeah.
That's fine. But I never joined a gym in my life because sometimes I felt that gym is just wasting for money. It is my opinion. I don't say that really gym joining gym is a waste of time and money because one thing I feel that if you join a gym, then it will take time to go there and come from there. It takes certain time. Second thing, you will pay money. So if I not joining gym, if I save that money, so I can use that money on fruits or some other things that is healthy on my healthy diet. And third thing is that suppose if I join gym, then I have to go out of my house. So sometimes there is winter, there is rainy or some other regions. Sometimes I cannot go there. So in that day particularly, I will stop mostly. I feel lazy because my mind is trained to work out on only gym. So if for 1 or 2 days I stay at home, then I will feel that I'm not comfortable doing these things. So basically I never joined gym. And second thing, when I was child, I used to go park. There was a stadium nearby my house, only 1.5 kilometers away. So I used to go to a stadium for running and doing some physical exercise like stretching and some other. There were so many things. But later my interest moved to martial art. I realized that martial art is effective way to make your body physically fit and mentally strong, and your body becomes so flexible that you can do anything easily. Because muscle building was not important for me. Only the matter was me to be flexible. So I joined when I completed my 10th. That time I joined my father. Actually, my parents were against it. Although they, after passing 10, they allowed me to join. And I learned for 4 years. And I became, I owned green belt from there. And after that, completing graduations, and there was some tragedy in my family. My father was missing. So I was the only guy, elder person in my family. So I had to earn some money. So money was the priority for me. So I stopped practicing martial arts and going to clubs. So after that, whenever I got time, I practiced at home because you practice martial art, you practice go out in the stadium, and if you practice there, it looks awkward. Yeah. So I started doing it at home, and later on, because of time, because that time, those days I don't have that much time. I had to go early.
I didn't have time.
I didn't have time, that much time, because I had to go work. So I minimized it from 2 hours to 45 minutes. And then I started doing aerobic exercise. So aerobic, there is two kind of exercise you should understand. One is aerobic and another is anaerobic. So what is aerobic and what is anaerobic? So aerobic exercise, so while doing any exercise, if you talk normally, that is aerobic. Now, just like if you are on a brisk walking, then you can also talk with somebody. But if you are running, you cannot talk because it needs more oxygen to your body. So I started doing aerobic exercise, and in that aerobic exercise, sometimes jogging, brisk walking, and some other exercise. Sometimes I did skipping, and I realized that aerobic exercise was good for me because I didn't want to be athlete, so I didn't have to work so hard. I just had to keep myself fit so I can work comfortably, don't feel tired at my workplace. And then for a long time I did aerobic exercise. Then I moved to Tai Chi. Tai Chi that I learned while doing martial art. Tai Chi is a kind of exercise where, it's a combination of your mind, body and soul. There are it is called some stance, some movements. You can find so many videos on YouTube regarding Tai Chi. So I started doing Tai Chi, and after Tai Chi, I learned some Zumba. I attended some Zumba classes, and it was really fun. It was a two-way benefit. One is you can enjoy, you can have fun along with doing exercise. So it was really very useful. Although I had to spend some money for this, but I learned it and I did it for 4 months. And after that, again I stopped paying for Zumba. And now I started doing some yogas and exercise. And I realized how in our ancient times, the Rishi Munis, they said that they focused on yoga and pranayama. Because yoga, while doing yoga, you don't need to go out somewhere. You don't need to drain your energy. While you do yoga, you regain your energy. Okay? You don't feel tired. And pranayama, breathing exercise, is also important for your mind, for your body, your lungs. So there is 3 kind of yoga. One is Surya Namaskar, second is Chandra Namaskar, and third is Prithvi Namaskar. Hello?
This is.
Yeah. So all these have different kind of benefits. So you have to understand what is important for you, because doing everything may not be beneficial, may not be good for you. So you try to find out what kind of exercise is really required, is really good for your body, according to your job and according to your atmosphere, according to your according to you, simply.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So Surya Namaskar gives you Ojas and Tej energy. So it is said that if you feel weak, physically weak, then you should do Surya Namaskar, and it takes only 2 minutes to complete a set of Surya Namaskar. So you can start with 4 to 5 steps every day, and you can increase it up to 12. That is fine. Don't exceed more than 12. 12 is beneficial, because doing much something can be dangerous. And the second thing is Chandra Namaskar. Chandra Namaskar is for for peace of mind, coolness, calmness. So you feel irritated, you feel angry sometimes, you cannot control your thoughts, you are high tempered. So you should do Chandra Namaskar. And third is Prithvi Namaskar. Prithvi is symbol of dedication, generosity, sacrifice. So if you are conservative mind type of people, you don't feel generous, you don't feel rich and wealthy, then you should do Prithvi Namaskar. So everything has some different kind of benefits. So you choose this kind of things and do some pranayam, just like Anulom, Vilom and Kapalbharati. So nowadays I am doing yoga and pranayam, and that is quite good according to my body, my time. I don't need to go somewhere out, and even I feel tired, I can do yoga, because when you do yoga, you feel energetic, you feel energized. So you can choose.
Yeah, again, it depends on person to person.
Yeah.
Personally, if I say, I always select that gym where I don't need to travel a lot. I have one gym nearby my house, so I don't need to struggle that much. And on the other hand, what happens that we are living in city, so yes, diet is all right, but things are not pure. We are having, but there are something which everything cannot be taken pure, because we know we are living in that era. Everyone, and even in India, we have facade, but we know that it's not working up to the mark. So, and on the other hand, we are not consuming that much good diet.
Yeah, it's not possible when you stay away from home, because you are dependent on the outside food. So sometimes it is not, you cannot maintain your diet, but at least you can add something which is good for your health, like if you go outside, so instead of fast food, you try to eat some fruits. Something.
Yeah. I avoid. I don't eat even single thing. Rarely I have. Normally I eat homemade food. Actually, my mom, she lives with me.
Yeah.
But still, actually, thing is that if we don't exercise, so you cannot manage. Are you getting? We are not working hard. Actually, my profession, that is normal one, teaching. So it is not that kind of work. If I talk about my family, and actually we were farmers, so we had actually we have land. So people, they go to farm and they like sometimes use tractors and all. There are many works. Are you getting?
Yeah.
If you have involvement in farming, agriculture sector, so you hire people, and on the other hand, you have to work with them. It is so they are quite fit, and that culture is a little bit different. But if I talk about my profession, so there I need to teach, and on the other hand, very early when I was 15, 16, 17. That time I used to go to a park because I didn't have that much backup and all. And even I didn't like the gym that time. But yeah, exercise was very common for me. I used to run and then I used to exercise. It was actually, I don't know from where I got this interest. But anyhow, I got it and I loved, and I was running, I was going, specifically I was managing time for exercise. And when I used to get, like 2 months leave, summer leaves and all. So that time I was doing more exercise. It means normally 1 hour, and that time I used to invest almost 2 to 3 hours, like normal exercise and yoga and these all things I was managing. It was fun for me, so I was enjoying it. Then on the other hand, I was slowly it came in my habit, and after that when I started working, so I thought that going in park and doing normal exercise definitely it would be good, but I need little bit environment where I can get motivation first. On the other hand, in machines are there, so actually that you need certain age. Certain age, that time you are tilted towards yoga. If you talk about 20, 25, 30, here people rarely you would see they are tilted towards yoga because we are getting late results. And in gym we are getting instant. So first advantage this. Because of this, people are not getting mental peace. And in yoga, it is very good that you have patience and you get mental peace. You are mentally strong and of the day, flexibility as well. So yoga is very important. I think every person should do 20 or 25 to 30 minutes if they are doing exercise in gym and all, whatever. But yoga is very important. So what do you say? Actually, we are living in very, busy life. So for going park and all, every day I think that sometimes we procrastinate. Actually, earlier I was going park. So sometimes I used to procrastinate. Why? Because I was not getting that environment, this, that. But yeah, in gym, everything is fixed. If you go, you do. So this is. So, and you don't need to think that what should be done. You have plans that today I would do this exercise.
Your mind is set. Already your mind is set. If you go to gyms, then what you have to do. But sometimes you skip.
I think you need to call again. You need to call again, I think.
Okay.